Short tip of the day. As you move through your holiday errands and gift shopping, this is the perfect moment to take charge of your credit instead of letting the season drain your momentum. Make your year-end to-do list work for you. Download your free credit report, scan every line for outdated details or suspicious activity, and call your bank's customer service team immediately to correct anything that doesn't look right. Channel any bonus or extra income straight into lowering balances. Set firm spending limits before you head into any celebration, and lock in your bill payments so that nothing slips through the cracks. When you act decisively, December becomes more than a festive season. It becomes a power move that strengthens your credit and positions you to hit January running.